So within the scope of my panel discussion, I didn't really have the the time capacity to speak about this, but I do believe it's an important point that was brought up by multiple panelists in the discussion. And I think one of the points that they touched upon really emphatically was financial literacy. And that's one of the biggest life skills that any student who's graduating from a university needs to have, which is to know what to do with the money that you have or the money that you will earn. I think financial literacy is one specific life skill that universities really should focus on. Another specific life skill that I think is very important is personal communication and language skills. So because universities or international universities like Symbiosis or Jindal have a number of students coming from all over the country, all over the world in fact, and discussing with each other or just conversing and learning together, one of the most important skills that students need to be well versed with when they go out of a university is how to interact with their peers, which include specific language skills. And the third point that I did think of that builds upon the second point of language and communication skills is empathy. So there was a very wonderful segment within the panel discussion by Zulekha where she spoke about diversity and inclusion, and which really requires students to be given the capacity to empathize with other students and their lived experiences. And I think one life skill that universities should focus on is increasing the empathy that students show to others and to themselves and just to the environment that each individual comes from, and being more aware of where everyone is positioned and where they're coming from. So I'm from Jindal Global Law School, and we're given the opportunity to explore a lot of electives as soon as we enter our second year. So what a lot of my panelists spoke about, which was increasing cross electives and increasing cross school electives, is something that I've already experienced in law school. And I think my experience in Jindal has been incredible because I have been given those opportunities through my placement cell or through the cells of, say, the moot courts or areas where I've been able to interact with international individuals and stakeholders within the scene of education, either through competitions or through conferences. And I think that's something that universities should look at, is to increase collaboration and increase the experiences that their students can have. So as a law student, I think my interaction in the university space has been pretty good. Oh, it's wonderful. I wish I could stay here for all 3 days, but I think it's only the conference is only open for students on the first day. But it's been really great, and the exhibits are really nice. I went and I took a walk and I saw all the exhibits, and I think it has been a great experience.